Welcome to this module, guys, where we'll go over another sticker design that will help us create sales on Redbubble using Canva. So another design that I really love is motivational stickers. The reason why I say motivational stickers are a great way to make those sales is because I personally have motivational stickers and everyone around me uses these stickers to keep themselves motivated and uh, help them focus on their goals. Um, As you can see, Canva has provided us with a lot of sticker designs that we can customize and we can, leverage to sell on Redbubble. One of the designs that I really like is Keep Going. Um, I think it's a very minimal design that says a lot by itself, and it's very precise and helps you stay focused. Something that I will do is customize it and have the Keep Going sign more enlarged and centered. I feel that this sticker by itself is a really great design that we can leverage to sell on Redbubble. So let's go ahead and download this design and so that later we can sell it on Redbubble. Once again, guys, make sure to keep the file type to PNG and hit download. That's it, guys. We have another sticker design that we can leverage and we'll be selling on Redbubble. See you guys in the next module.